Okie cookie, okie cookie, okie cookie. Hey guys, it's Miriam. Boy, do I have a fun video for you. I've got Playmobil figurines. They're blind bags, mystery blind bags. I've got 8 of them. These are new ones, they're series 11. And the marketing folks at Playmobil were kind enough to send me these. And guess what? Now you see them, but you know what? They'll be going through a portal and end up here. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Set, go! Wow! I wonder if I can further remove them into a different portal and bring them into a bigger, giant egg. Would you like that? Yeah. Are you ready? Go! Whoa! Check it out. We have all our blind bags in here. And I also have another fun toy for you here. It's also a Playmobil toy. It's a pony stable play box. Stay tuned for the next episode as we will open and play with this box as well. This looks really fun. I'll post it tomorrow, so come back and see it. And now, we have some surprises to open, so let's get to it. Wow! So many of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Let's get started with our first one. Take a look. Here's what you could be getting inside. Lots of fun characters. They're definitely story characters, superheroes, pirates, construction workers, monsters. Which one is in here? Let's find out. Ooh, can you guess just by looking at the pieces? There are definitely some clues here. Check it out. Here are all the possibilities, and I think we have this one here. And you get directions on how to build it. We need to attach the arms in here. And then together, put it in here. Perfect. Our figurine needs a head. Some kind of a native person. Cool. The hairpiece. We've got accessories to it, of course. We can dress it up. And I love these horns. This is a cool getup. Check it out. Yeah. He needs his cape, so let's attach that. There are a few more things to attach. I think it's easier to put on if you put it before everything else, so let's go ahead and do that. Now you have to put it in from the top. Yep. Now I can add the arms. I just lifted it up a little. Added one arm. And I need to add the other arm. And push it down. And look at this. Perfect. Now let's continue adding all the other parts. He gets his weapon, a knife, a hunting knife. And look at this. He has a sacred tool here. Looks like the head of a bird, an eagle maybe. And he gets this piece. It's sort of like some pom-poms or strings attached. And that fits right on it. This makes me think he's actually a shaman or the leader of his people. Or it's a really awesome costume. I love it. And now he's complete. Yeah. He's all geared up. But now we have more fun surprises to open. I wonder which figurine are we gonna get? It's a mystery. I love mysteries. Are you ready for this? Wow, awesome. I can guess what it is. Check it out. I bet you can too. And you know what's awesome about these figurines? They all get to be built the same way. So once you figure out how to build one, everything else is very, very easy. So let's get to it. You get the legs and this piece. So first of all, snap this into place. And then you get your shirt, with the arms. This gets attached to the main part. Look at this, you get this bib, and it needs to go before the head. Perfect. You get some shoulder pieces. Their armor. And then gloves. You get superhero gloves. Cool. Snap everything into place. His hairpiece. And then his helmet. His helmet has a separate attachment. Perfect. And last but not least, we need to take the sticker out. He gets a GPS radio. Perfect. Take a look at him. So cool. We have 2 so far. There are more blind bags to open. So let's see, what do we get in our next one? I bet you can also guess what's in here. He looks like a warrior, has a shield. We're gonna have a fun battle at the end, so be sure to stay tuned, check it out. Look at all these warriors here. They're representing different things. Are you ready, guys, for your battle? You better get into your positions. There's only one more figurine to open, and then we're gonna have our fight. Are you ready? I'm getting ready. Ha! Are you ready? On guard. Yeah. You know this is a friendly battle, guys. Yeah, friendly. Very friendly. I'm serious, this is just for fun. Just for show, everything is pretend. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, pretend. Yeah. And be sure to stay tuned for the next episode, because we have lots more blind bags to open. It's our final blind bag for today. Be sure to come back tomorrow. I'm going to open the rest of the figurines and also the Playmobil stable. So let's check it out. Oh, I love it that it's different. Ooh, and I bet you can guess what this is. That's a skeleton. If you have a good guess, be sure to write it down in the comment section down below. Gets a tray with a skeleton. Cool. That's our 4th figurine. Ooh, ha ha ha. We're ready for our battle. Yeah, I'm ready for the battle too. I'm gonna use my special powers. And skeleton. Ooh, ha 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 ha. Let's get him. Ah! Hey, what was that? Ah! Hee 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 hee. 1 down. 1 to go. Oh yeah. I've got magical powers too. Let's see them. Okie cookie. Okie cookie. Okie cookie. Phew, that worked. I was kind of worried. Congratulations, you're the winner. How does it feel? Okie cookie, okie cookie. Oh no, I'm out of here. Victory! I'm the winner. I'm the ultimate champ. Okay guys, show's over. It's time to get up. Oh, that was sure painful. Hey, where's the announcer? Oh, it's a long story. That's it for us. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to click the subscribe button for more fun videos. And also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Bye, everybody.